Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Today I'm going to look at an application that has been requested by many of you out there, and that's MarginNote 3. Now MarginNote 3 is a powerful application for note-taking on ebooks, PDFs and other electronic files. As well as taking notes, you can annotate, you can mind map, even create flashcards to help you study and prepare for exams, or even just to ensure that information doesn't disappear from your brain as fast as it goes in. Let's take a look and see what it's about.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.